What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the polyurethane swaybar bushings. I already have a video, I'm going to leave it right here, but in this video I'm going to make it in more detail on how to put these things. So let's begin. So first of all we are going to take out the wheel, and then as you can see right here is the bushing. And I'm gonna change it because this went bad, and this one are universal, so they came with a special bracket. With this one, with the new ones, I'm going to use the OEM bracket, the stock bracket. And when I take this out, I'm going to show you the difference. And yes, the second thing we're going to do after taking the wheel is taking the links, both links of both sides first, this one and the other side, and then we're going to take out this bushing right here. So after taking out both links, this one and the one on the other side, we are going to take out now the bushing. The front bolt of the bushing, you can take it out from here, and the other one you need to go under here from the behind the cross member here, from here you need to take out the other one, and the other side is the exact same procedure, but it's going to be a little bit harder because there is less space than this side. So I'm going to show you the other side. So you can see there is less space than the other side, but it's the exact same thing. You need to take out this one from here and the other one from right here, from under here. So this is the bushing I take out from the car. These are polyurethane one, but these are universal. You can see the damage right there, and this one is 24mm, but that doesn't mean that your Mitsubishi Lancer also have a swaybar, 24mm swaybar. You need to measure the swaybar because it depends where this car were sell. My car comes with a 24mm swaybar, and just these are the universal bushings. You can see it comes with the own bushing, but this bushing in total dimensions are smaller than the OEM one. So now I bought the bushing that is like the OEM one, the stock one, and here is the bracket, the OEM bracket, the stock bracket. You can see it's bigger than the universal one. You can see right here it's a little bit bigger, and the bushing it's bigger also than the universal bushing, as you can see. So I bought this because these are OEM replacement, and I want the OEM brackets on the car. And you can see this one have this nipple right here. I don't know if it is functional or what, but you can see it's for the stock brackets. So yes, now I'm going to put this bushing, but first of all I need to cut it right here on the side. As you can see, as this one, this is cut on the side like the OEM one. The OEM one is also cut on the side, because you can see when you are using the car, the swaybar is going to try to go up and down, and if you cut this here on the top or on the bottom, the swaybar is going to try to open the bushing because the swaybar is going up and down. But if you cut it in the side right here, the bushing is not trying to go forward or backward, so is going to be tight, and the efficiency of the bushing is going to be the best. So now I'm going to put the new one, and I'm going to put grease on it right here in the inside, and I'm going to install it. So you can see I have the bushing in place. I have the both sides in place, but first of all, you need to put the left bushing first, that one, the left one, and then the right one, this one, and put both bushing first, and then you are going to put the brackets. This is the right side. As you can see, you need to put the left side first and then the right side. So as you can see, I have the bushing in, so, and the link on both sides. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.